Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.